Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Blackview XPLORE 1 Walkie Talkie. This is a device that I've been waiting to unbox and review for like 4 months now, because this is a phone that I saw back when I was in September in Berlin. I was at IFA here and I had the opportunity to see the device and check it out live, and I really loved it. So right now I have the phone. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Here in the back of the phone you see a few specifications, and the reason that I'm showing you this is because I paid 42.5 euros as a tax for this phone in Italy. Now let's unbox it. First, let's check out the cable. We have a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. We have the European charging brick, 55 watts with a Type-C input. We have the antenna for the walkie-talkie. We have the phone itself. We have the usual paperwork. We also have a lanyard and this small, let's say, tool here to open the SIM slot. Yeah, nothing else on the box. This is the phone. Here in the front logo we see a few specifications. We have a 6.78 inch 1080p display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. We have a front 50 megapixel camera, a rear 64 megapixel main camera and a 20 megapixel one. This phone has two configurations, one with 256 gigabytes of storage and the other with 512. The 256 gigabytes of storage version comes equipped with 12 gigabytes of RAM, is the version that you're currently watching on this video, and the big boy 512 gigabytes version comes equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM. We have a 20,000 milliamperes of battery. Here on the left side I use the tool, as I said, for the SIM slot. We have SD card expandable storage and SIM at the same time, or we can use two nano SIMs at the same time. The device feels pretty solid. Let me remove the sticker. And as I said, on the left side we have the SIM slot SD card for expandable storage. We have a function button. Here on the bottom we have the Type-C charging port. There you go, Type-C charging port. We have the microphone, the small hole here. We have the speaker, place for the lanyard. And on the right side we have a power button, which also serves as a fingerprint, and the volume buttons. Now let's power on the device. While the device powers on, let's open the place for the antenna here on the top. Yeah, so this is how the phone will look with the antenna. Let me skip this menu real quick. Okay, so we are on the menu now. First, let's try the Walkie Talkie. Yeah, we can switch through channels here. We have a recording list. We can record the conversations that we have. Yeah, that was the Walkie Talkie app, interphone. Now let's go to settings, display, let's go maximum. This is the maximum brightness of the display. Let's activate lift to wake. The option by default is smart, but I'm just gonna leave it at high, 120 Hz. You can choose to customize the back screen from settings here. You can customize the side key. Let's go to system. First, let's connect to Wi-Fi. And let's check for the update. We are currently on Android 15. And we are running docOS 5.0. As I said, we have the version with 256 GB of storage. 16 GB are the system files. Temporary system files are 2.4 GHz. We have expandable RAM set to 3 GB, but we can set it up to 24. The rear-facing camera is 64 megapixels and the other one is 20 megapixels. The front-facing camera is 50. Battery capacity, screen resolution, we already set those. Let's open the camera app. Let's go to video. Resolution Full HD. Yeah, we can do up to 4K video with this phone, and we can do Full HD 60 frames per second. As for zoom, we can go up to 8x. So 8 times zoom. We have the 64 megapixel option. We have video, picture, beauty, night, and more. Here on more we have Pro, slow motion, portrait, and panorama. I don't know if you guys can see the dot here, but this is an indicator that the phone comes equipped with a pre-installed screen protector, and I believe it's a film, yeah, it's a film screen protector. We have docOS Game Center. Yeah. Now, I will install more apps on this phone and I will make comparison videos. I also have the Blackview XPLORE 1, the regular version, not the Walkie Talkie. I will do a comparison video with that too. And yeah, before ending the video, I totally forgot to mention the processor of this phone is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050, which is a 6 nanometer octa-core processor. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.